Well, here I am at the ChyronHego stand here, IBC 2013. If you don't recognize the name and you want to find out why it's changed, then look at our other video that we've done here, which the link should just be below me on this webpage, and you'll find out the reason for the change. In the meantime, I've got Phil Carmichael here, and we're going to talk about a product called Paint. Tell us about that.
Well, paint is it's mainly used for sports, and you know, the word that's really bad about sports is steroids. But I'm going to use steroids here because this is like a telestration tool on steroids. That's what paint is. Okay. Okay. So paint is now we saw virtual placement, and so we saw how the camera tracking works in virtual placement. A lot of that same is in paint, but this is more of like a replay tool. Okay. So a couple things we can do with this. First of all, I can record up to 3 cameras live into the system, record them as clips, put some telestration on them. Or we have an EVS system here as well, and I can import an EVS clip. I'm not tying up the EVS operator, I'm not tying up the video input, so very simply just right-click on here and say I want to import that clip from the EVS. And just in a couple seconds like that, I now have that clip in here, where I can add some telestration to it. So for instance, I wanted to put a spotlight on this player down here. I pick my spotlight tool and click on it, and the neat thing about this is I can track this. So for instance, I want to move this to the ball over here, and I'm moving it. Okay, click save, and come back here, and this is basically a replay. So I can actually replay it from here with that spotlight already on the system. Many more tools I can do. I can put trajectory tools of the ball going in. The neat thing about this is, I could be an operator doing this, but you can put this in the hands of the color announcer up in the booth. This is all touchscreen enabled as well. Okay, so you can see that, right? So either way, from either an operator can do it or the color announcer can do it as well.
Phil, all very impressive. If people haven't been able to get to IBC to see and get some hands-on this, and they want to find out some more information, what's the best place for them to go?
You can go to our brand new website, www.ChyronHego.com.
Phil, thank you very much. So if you want to find out more about their paint system, go and have a look at their website. The link should be on screen right now. Of course, we've done the other video here, which is about their virtual placement application, and you'll see that the link should be on the website here as well. In the meantime, everything that we've been doing here at IBC 2013 will be on broadcastshow.com.